The another one, it's works just fine. This is a completely refurbished, has very light use. They're both mine. I'm collector, so I'll show you how the player works. This is radio right here.
Your vehicle gets in, gets done, gets out. Did I mention cattle blood for digestives?
My lovely channel.
And you look around you and you see that, you know, there are a number of people in charge. The World Economic Forum, Bill Gates, George Soros, Dr. Fauci, all of these guys, they have connections with one another with regard to changing the landscape.
Usually going like this will work fine.
And changing the landscape.
Okay, now it's radio. So it's forward. Reverse. So it's, like I said, it's slightly used, but I have all the cables and everything new. This one is a totally perfect one. I have other electronics, but I can give up on this one. I'll show you. I'm moving, and this is my reel-to-reel player. It's my grandparents. It's like new. I am an engineer, and I got things, you name it. I remodel lots of stuff. This is my grandparents' gift to me, and I'm using this all the time. This is for the lamp tester. So it's a vintage too. So I love vintage electronics. I have huge collections of cassette tapes. Probably more than 1,000. We'll try something out of here as well. We'll try this guy. This is my reel-to-reel player, and it's a fully refurbished Sony. I have this for quite a while. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff over here I'm working on. This is my another favorite one, and it's worked just as a charm. Beside the one I'm selling on eBay, this is another one I have. This is just amazing quality too. So I basically refurbish all of them and use them for years. It's not as Asian.
Looked into a heart so sad, saw what no one ever had. Beneath the snow she saw the spring.
My wife get kicked me because it's like after 9 and I'm making noises over here. So this guy I'm talking about him. There's original cables, and let me know.